In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that can completely transform your keto journey. Whether you've been doing this lifestyle for years or just dipping your toes in, we're talking about setting clear priorities, knowing what's most important, and focusing your energy there. Most people believe success on keto comes from the perfect meal plan, the perfect macro breakdown, or the perfect supplement. But those things only work when your priorities are clear. When you understand what truly matters most to you, your decisions become easier, your consistency improves, and you stop feeling overwhelmed by all the noise around you. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful yet simple principles that will help you stay focused, motivated, and successful long term. Let's get into it. Point number 1, know your core reason. The first major priority setting principle is knowing your core reason, the deep emotional why behind your keto lifestyle. It's easy to say, I want to lose weight or I want to be healthier, but these surface level reasons usually don't reflect what's really driving you. When I talk to people, their real reasons are far more meaningful. I want to feel confident again. I want to have steady energy instead of constant crashes. I want to reverse inflammation and avoid medications. I want to be here for my kids or grandkids. I want to feel proud of the person I see in the mirror. That's your anchor. That's the reason that keeps you going when life gets stressful and when cravings hit or when you walk into a holiday party surrounded by carbs and sugar. Willpower alone isn't enough. But a clear emotional reason becomes your internal compass. Write down your core reason or reasons. Place it somewhere you see every day and let it guide your decisions. When you feel tempted or discouraged, come back to your why. It will keep you centered and help you to stay on alignment with your goals. Point number 2, choose only 2 to 3 lifestyle priorities. The second principle is choosing just 2 or 3 main lifestyle priorities at a time. This is where most people get stuck. They try to prioritize everything at once. They want to meal prep perfectly, drink a gallon of water, eliminate sugar, walk 10,000 steps a day, count calories, avoid stress, track macros, and sleep 8 hours, all in the same week. That approach leads straight to burnout. Instead, choose the 2 or 3 priorities that matter most to you right now. It might be staying under 20 total grams of carbs daily, eliminating sugar and seed oils, improving sleep, managing stress, prepping protein in advance, or focusing on whole nutrient-dense foods. When you limit your priorities, you create clarity. For example, if sleep is one of your priorities, then scrolling on your phone until midnight doesn't align with your lifestyle anymore. If staying under 20 total grams of carbs is your priority, then temptations lose their power because you've already decided what matters most. Priorities create boundaries, and boundaries create the structure you need for long-term success. Stick with your top 2 or 3 priorities for at least a month before adjusting. This gives your habits time to stick. Point number 3, align your daily actions with your priorities. The third principle is aligning your daily actions with your priorities. Knowing what matters is one thing, but living it is where transformation truly happens. Each morning, ask yourself, What 3 actions today support my priorities? If inflammation reduction is a priority, then whole foods, clean oils, and simple meals take center stage. If weight loss is your focus, then planning your meals, tracking carbs, and avoiding mindless snacking become part of your daily rhythm. If energy and mental clarity are priorities, then proper hydration, electrolytes, and avoiding hidden sugars make sense. Your daily choices must reflect the lifestyle you say you want. Then at the end of the day, do a quick check in and ask, did my actions today match what I said was important? There's no guilt here, just gentle honesty. The more your actions align with your priorities, the more consistent, confident, and in control you feel. This is where long-term keto success is built, one aligned day at a time. So let's bring it all together. Keto success isn't about perfection, it's about clarity. First, know your core reason, your emotional anchor. Second, choose only 2 or 3 lifestyle priorities so you stay focused instead of overwhelmed. And third, align your daily actions with those priorities so your habits and goals are always connected. When your priorities are clear, your progress accelerates. Your confidence grows and keto becomes a lifestyle, not a struggle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're looking for support, come join my Facebook community, Keto Recipes Group for Beginners, where over 74,000 members, just like you, are making incredible progress every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.